Hey everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to add your Barclays card to Apple Pay in 2025. With the latest updates from Apple and Barclays, this process is faster and more secure than ever, making your everyday payments a breeze. Whether you're grabbing coffee or shopping online, Apple Pay is a game changer for convenience and safety. Let's dive right in. First, ensure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version. Head to Settings, General, Software Update, and install any available updates. This step is crucial for smooth compatibility. Now, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. It's the one with the wallet icon. Once inside, tap the plus button in the top right corner to add a new card. From the options that appear, select Debit or Credit Card. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your Barclays card details. Have your card ready and input the card number, expiration date, and the 3-digit CVV code. Double-check for accuracy to avoid any errors. After submitting the details, Apple will ask you to verify the card. For Barclays, this usually involves opening the Barclays app on your phone and approving the request, or you might receive a verification code via SMS. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. It only takes a moment. Once verified, your Barclays card will be added to Apple Pay. You can then set it as your default card if you'd like. Test it out by making a payment to ensure everything works perfectly. A quick tip: if you encounter any issues, make sure Barclays supports Apple Pay in your region and that your Barclays app is up to date. If problems persist, contact Barclays customer support for help. And there you have it. You're now ready to use Apple Pay with your Barclays card. This simple setup can save you time and hassle in 2025 and beyond. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.